Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit Azure colors in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app. And here in the Lightroom app we have to select a picture from the gallery that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. And after the picture loads, we have to find color in the bottom bar. We tap on color. And here at the top, we find mix. We tap on mix, find the Azure color, and then we have multiple options. We can edit the hue of it. If we move the slider to the left, then the Azures are going to become greener. And if we move it to the right, then the Azures are going to become bluer. Then we can edit the saturation of it, how grayish or how rich the color is. Then we can edit the luminance at the bottom, how dark or how light the Azures are in our picture. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one.